We've just got through with the miter saw. Now I'm going to take my boards I already have labeled, the top, bottom, left side, and right side, and fit them together. All of these miters should fit together really well if your measurements were accurate. If your measurements are not accurate, you may see a gap in one of your miters. So dry fit it together like this and make sure you don't see any gaps in those sides. The next step then is marking out where the pocket holes are going to go. Those pocket hole measurements are found um, on your plans, and we're going to mark those just on the side pieces. So measuring in from the corner, the outside corner of the side piece, I'm going to go ahead and mark both of those. Measuring in from the outside corner, remember. So if we look closely at one of these outside boards, now you can see I have two marks. One here, and then one here, and one here. 4 marks total uh, on each side. This is where we'll place the pocket holes. Let's take a look closely at the pocket hole machine. When you pull the handle, two things happen. This clamp moves down to clamp your board, and this drill bit comes out of the bottom of the pocket hole machine. Right in here, uh, right back here. It's hard to tell from the video, but there's a mark right in here that shows the center of the drill bit. That's where we're lining this up with our frame pieces. Okay, so I'm going to line up the 2 marks I made one at a time, right with that center mark on the pocket hole cutter. It says edge. The center mark is directly above the D when you're looking at it. I'm going to line it up, pull the trigger with my thumb, and then the trigger with my finger, and pull through. So if we look at the bottom now, that places a pocket hole right on that mark. I'll do the same thing again on my second mark. So you have 2 pocket holes right here. If this one's measured correctly, it should just barely touch the edge of the frame. Same thing on the other side now. Mark it with the center. Now I have all 4 pocket holes drilled on this side. Repeat the process to drill the pocket holes on the other side board. When you're done with the pocket hole machine, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pocket holes total. That will just look just like this on the back of your side boards for your picture frame.